Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're there, or here, I guess I should say. I was looking at this going, why is it so big on my screen? It's a big box that's got a littler box in it. So we are about to do an unboxing real quickly on this Friday afternoon. Stoked it came in today, was not expecting it today. If you guys would, I just want to give a real quick shout out and thank you to all the channel members. Thank you guys. I appreciate you more than you know. And for anyone who's stopping by, I appreciate you being here and watching the content as well. And I always invite you to subscribe if you'd like to get updates, more information when I go live, like Friday nights and other things. But I am going to use my Amazon razor knife to try to cut into this box without cutting into my hand. And not cutting into my mat. This is coming really handy, by the way. My little Amazon $69 flipper knife. All right. So guys, what we have here, whoops, what was that? Oh, that was a flashlight falling over. Is a Spartan Blades that has been beat to hell by the U.S. Postal Service from DLT. So, as you guys know, I have a 3 1/4 inch Spartan Harsey that I recently got acquired, and I've got a couple of field grades. I've got the Aster and CTS HXP, XHP, and the Talos. But when I saw this was available, I knew that they were not going to be available for long, and I knew that they were very limited. And I was so impressed with the 3 1/4 inch Plague Doctor, my first Spartan, I guess you'd call this their custom grade. So this is the SF5 Plague in MagnaCut, green. So again, this is a very basic knife made with washers. Very tactical. God, this feels good. Again, not drop shutty. But I love, love, love the action of the 3 1/4. Whoops, that was me with the lazy flick. So that is my 3 1/4 inch Harsey. And the patterns are a little bit different on these, even though the finishes are the same. So you got the USA on the blade and the Spartan logo on the blade, where they reside on the titanium scale of the 3 1/4. But I literally have and am absolutely stoked. And this is something that I had really wanted about a year ago when I first became aware of it. Let's see if I can front flip it. And it was mainly the Plague Doctor theme, right? The Do Not Fear, My Dear, the biohazard on the pivot, the very familiar bug that we all lived with. And it just kind of symbolized a theme that I thought, for some reason, I don't know why, it really resonated with me. It was it's kind of when I got into the hobby. It's kind of when all this stuff started. So when I got the 3.5 or 3.25 and realized how much I enjoyed it and how much I carried it, and then just happened to see this come about, and they're still available in either MagnaCut, or you can choose S45 VN, which my 3.25 is. There's no difference in the price, but these are at our friend's DLT. So let's get a piece of paper. Again, this is more of a jabber, thick blade, thick behind the edge. Whoops, cutter error. Plenty sharp for what it is, and I'll touch it up and strop it. Mainly my shaky hand not cutting good. But it is plenty sharp, has the platform to be very, very sharp. Again, this might, not right away, but this might be a good candidate for a regrind, but I do not have a problem with its thickness, because the way I'll use this is to shred cardboard, to carry it kind of as just a love it knife, right? So if I need to cut something, I'll be able to cut it with this. I'll be able to cut it well. And in terms of the feel of the knife, the build of the knife, the fact that it's a made in America knife, the fact that I've never had Spartans before and really was blown away by the build quality, by the action, even though it's on washers, something I'm not normally used to. Just had been stoked by the 3.25. So I had to jump on this. It wasn't a responsible jump, but it wasn't something that was outside of my reach. I had to do it, because again, I think once these are gone, my guess is they're gone. They won't be doing anymore in this pattern of this custom series. But yeah, it's a lifetime knife, guys. Stoked to have it. Uh, got to complete my little Plague Doctor set. And I just love them. I mean, I just think they're absolutely awesome. I think the patterns are awesome. I think the blades are awesome. You'll notice that the 3.75 has much thicker, not only blade stock, but the titanium's thicker. 3.25 S45. This one is available in S45, and it's available in MagnaCut. So to mix it up, I wanted to get the different blade steel. But guys, I am stoked, lucky to have them. Just jazzed. Look forward to doing a full review on this after I carry it for a while, spending some more time with it, comparing it to other things. You know how we roll. But guys, thank you for watching the unboxing. If you guys haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. You'll be notified when I upload unboxings, which I kind of do right when they come in. And thank you, channel members. Friday Night Flicks tonight at 8:15 Central. I love you all. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose to bait, not hate. Peace.